first. And Donald Trump is saying that he has been audited almost every year by the IRS. I know you can't talk about somebody's personal taxes, but would somebody be audited every year? He says it's going back almost every year of the Obama administration.
Well, as you know, we can't talk about individual cases, but it would be rare for anyone to be audited every year. Usually, when there's an audit and it's cleared up, if there are no other issues, it's a number of years, 2 or 3 at least, before you hear from us again, unless something in your next return pops up. But as a matter of just formal auditing, it would be rare.
He also says that he's not going to release his tax returns while he's being audited. Is there something from the IRS that forbids him from releasing his tax returns?
Well, again, with my caveat that I can't talk about individual cases, the taxpayer controls his returns. There's nothing in an IRS audit process generally that would keep you from sharing that information any way you wanted to.
Okay, so then what do you make of his claim that he needs the audit to be cleared up?
We stress that we're in tax administration, and so we have no stake in any of the primaries going on, and whatever the comments are being made by candidates. As I say, from our standpoint, if you're being audited and you want to do something else, share that information with your returns, you can do that.
Well, one of the other things he said is that he thinks maybe he's being audited because he's a strong Christian. What is that a reason why the IRS would audit someone? What are the reasons why, those things that would pop up that would trigger an audit?
Yeah. That's something that would never cause you to be audited. We've tried to make clear, certainly since I've been commissioner, that we don't care who you are, who you voted for, what party you belong to, whether you go to church or don't go to church. If you hear from us in response to an inquiry, it is about something in your tax return. And if somebody else had that same issue in their return, they'd hear from us as well with regard to limited resources, of course. But it would never be a case that you would be audited because of any religious persuasion you might have to have.